Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play as piano accompaniment White Flag by Dido. I will sing just as a reference point, and I've left where you can find in the description the full chords and lyrics to this song. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of D minor. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of D minor. So these are the notes we are working with. Here is middle C as a reference point, so if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. I'll teach both hands at the same time, so left hand will be blue and right hand will be orange on the screen there. So I'm going to be doing the intro of the shortened edit, like released version, so I guess the one that's in the music video, so it's a slightly shorter intro. So left hand I'm going to play this F, and the right hand, so we have this string part that we're going to play. So the notes are on the screen. So we're going to play E and F together, and then F, G, A, C, and then come and play this A. So do that again. And then we're going to play this A in the left hand, and in the right hand we're going to play C, D, E, so together. And then we're almost going to do that again, but this time the C, D, E is like harmonized with, so it's A and C, B and D, C and E. It's quite quick. Try to use these fingers 1 and 3, 2 and 4, and 3 and 5. So that's the intro, pretty simple. I'll just do that again. And then into the verse. So the chords for the verse then, we have D minor, first inversion in the right hand, so that's F, A, D. Try to be as accurate as I can with the inversions. In the left hand you can play this D or a lower D, it's up to you. You can just hold the chords down if you want to, or you can play them in a rhythm that usually works with most pop songs, so the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I know you think that I shouldn't still love you, or you can just hold it down. I know you think that I shouldn't still love you, I'll tell you that. So here we come to A minor, so just root position, so A in the left hand and then A, C, E in the right hand. So I'll tell you that. And then we repeat those two chords again, so back to the D minor. But if I didn't say it, well, I still have felt it. Back to A minor. Where's the sense in that? I promise. Now into the pre-chorus. So it's quite a short verse. And now we're into the pre-chorus. We have a C major chord. So C in the left hand. And then we're going to play second inversion of C major in the right hand. So it's G, C and E. I promise I'm not trying to make your life harder or return. So here we have G minor, so G in the left hand. In the right hand it's root position of G minor, so it's G, B flat and D. I'll return to where we were. And then to A minor, which we've already had. So do that pre-chorus again. I promise I'm not trying to make your life harder or return to where we were. Now we're into the chorus. We have B flat major in root position. So in the left hand we're going to play B flat and F, so in fifths. In the right hand we're going to play root position, so B flat, D and G. But I will go down with this ship. And then we have F major. So I'm going to play F and C, fifths in the left hand. And in the right hand we're going to play A, C, And then we have G minor again, like we've had before, but I'm going to play G and D with it in the left hand this time. And I won't put my hands up and surrender. So here we have D minor again, like we've had before in the verse. So if I just do this, what we've done so far of the chorus. But I will go down with this ship, and I will put my hands up and surrender. There will be no. So here we have B flat major again. No white flags above my door. F major. Oh, I'm in love. So C major, and I'm playing C and G. The fifths in the left hand just make it sound a bit more full. So C major like we had in the pre-chorus. Oh, I'm in love and always will be. And then G minor. And now we have covered all of the chords that we need for the whole song. So if I just do that chorus again, so again you can play the chords twice on the beats if you want to, like this. But I will go down with this ship, and I will put my hands up and surrender. There will be no white flags above my door. Oh, I'm in love and always will be. So if I go from the very beginning and join all of these sections together. I know you think that I shouldn't still love you or tell you that. But if I didn't say it, well, I'd still have felt it. Where's the sense in that? I promise I'm not trying to make your life harder or return to where we were. But I will go down with this ship, and I will put my hands up and surrender. There will be no white flags above my door. Oh, I'm in love and always will be. So for the next verse, pre-chorus and chorus, we're going to play on the piano exactly the same what we've just played. So I'm just going to continue onto these next three sections. I know I left too much mess and destruction to come back again, and I caused nothing but trouble. I understand if you can talk to me again. And if you live by the rules of it's over, then I'm sure that that makes sense. I will go down with this ship, and I will put my hands up and surrender. There will be no white flags above my door. Oh, I'm in love and always will be. And when we... Okay, so the bridge then. So again, there's no new chords. So we have F major. So we're going to play that the same way as we do in the chorus. And when we meet, which I'm sure we will, all that was there, A minor, will be there still. I'll let it pass, G minor, and hold my tongue, and then C major, and you will think that I've moved on. Let's do all of that bridge again. And when we meet, which I'm sure we will, all that was there, and then we're into the chorus again, but it's twice as long this time. I will go down with this ship, and I will put my hands up and surrender. There will be no white flags above my door. Oh, I'm in love and always will be. And I will go down with this ship, and I will put my hands up and surrender. There will be no white flags above my door. Oh, I'm in love and always will be. Then the outro, so it's the same chord progression again. We're just going to play the chords in a different inversion, and this is at the actual piano part. So, and we're just going to hold these chords down. So we have, for B flat major, we have just B flat in the left hand. In the right hand, we have F, B flat, and D. So, I will go down with this ship. So F major root position. So F in the left hand, and then F, A, C in the right hand. So, I will go down with this ship, and I won't put my hands up. So G minor, I'm just not playing the D with it this time. And surrender. So D minor root position. So D in the left hand, and then D, F, A in the right hand. Back to B flat again, same way we just played it. There will be no white flag above my door. F major. Oh, I'm in love. C major. So C in the left hand. In the right hand it's E, G, and C. First inversion. Oh, I'm in love and always will be. And then ends on G minor. Let's do this outro again. I will go down with this ship, and I will put my hands up and surrender. There will be no white flag above my door. Oh, I'm in love and always will be. So that's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.